Okay, well, this morning we had U.S. Attorney Preet Bharara with us, and he had something to say that he said we should ask you. So let's just roll that clip, if it has.
6.5 years ago, that he called me in November of 2009 and said that your office will be prosecuting Khalid Shaikh Mohammed. And then, obviously, for reasons that you describe and other reasons, that didn't end up happening, and he remains in Guantanamo Bay, Cuba. In those 6.5 years, my office and the great career prosecutors in my office with the Joint Terrorism Task Force have convicted terrorist after terrorist after terrorist, including Osama bin Laden's son-in-law and a whole host of other people who were involved in acts of tremendous violence, killing Americans over and over and over again, while I think Khalid Shaikh Mohammed is awaiting his first pretrial conference or something like that.
Yeah. So, were you mad about that?
I was mad then, I'm mad now, and I'm not a person, I don't think, of great ego, but I was damn right, and the people who opposed me were damn wrong. And if Preet and I and Neil McBride, who was the U.S. Attorney in the Eastern District of Virginia, if we had been allowed to do that which we said was appropriate, Khalid Shaikh Mohammed and his Confederates would be on death row right now instead of waiting for their first pretrial hearing. The opposition to what we wanted to do was political in nature. I will say that at least one senator I have a great deal of respect for, Lindsey Graham, and he and I interacted about that, and I think he was coming from a different place. He had different views and different solutions.
He had great respect for military courts because he had served on them, I think.
Yeah, and that was right. But others, the mantra was, you want to hold or you want to give rights to these people, the same rights that you would give to ordinary American citizens. And for the life of me, I thought to myself, what the hell does that mean? I want to put people in the best criminal justice system in the world, give them a fair opportunity to raise whatever they want in terms of defenses, and then hold them accountable. And plus, I want to do it here. I want to do it here in New York City where the offenses actually occurred. And everybody was with us for a while, and then people started to find jelly in their spines, not only at the federal level, but at the local level as well. And I think that the fact that Khalid Shaikh Mohammed is still sitting in Guantanamo, essentially thumbing his nose at the American people, is a great testament to what happens when politicians decide to become involved in the criminal justice system.